So even though I haven't really had a chance to plant anything in my garden, nature is doing the planting for me. This appears to be a sun gold plant, and I do have another volunteer over there behind my oak tree. So yay, thank you. These are really yummy and tasty and sweet. Sun golds are part of my favorites. Very small, but still very juicy. Gosh, I wish you guys could see the number of honeybees all over these Biden's Alba. And we have volunteer sunflowers. I blame this mess on the bees. Look what else we have through the jungle.